First, take 4 corn torts out of the bag and stack 2. First, take 4 stacks out of the bag and stack 4 corn torts out of the bag. Put them in 2 stacks of 2. Once you have them like this, you know you're doing a good job. Next, slide in your cheddar into the first layer of your tort. Like this. Seal it back. Put your cheddar down. Once you got your cheddar down, it's time to go for the monster. Go ahead and stick that on top. Like that. Next, for this next step, you're going to want to get in there. Get a lot of rhythm. Doesn't matter if you drop them all the time. Put up like later. And then you can just drop them on there like that. Can't really put them in. In the meantime, you come over here. Turn this bad boy on. Make it really good. You don't want to burn them too hot, otherwise they'll get brown in the first 2 minutes. That's a delivery of pre-chopping on my Italian sausage, and you just go ahead and take that, take more handfuls. Take handfuls of that, and then just throw that on there, like that. To do like that, so take another handful, just throw that on there like that. See, the best part, well, you can use really any meat that you like, but sausage is really good, it's cheap, you can make a lot of tacos with sausage. And what I find is, if you chop it into a lot of pieces as opposed to just slices, the more surface area there is, the more browning effect you're going to get out of the air fryer. It's going to come out really crispy and nice and good and crispy sausage. It's going to be good. Alright, air fryer's almost done. And then we're going to pop these bad boys in there. Alright, the air fryer is now preheated and the kitchen's over here. Roll them up with one hand like that. If you go for the good old fashioned punch method. Alright, buddy. Over here. Drop them all. Go for the good old fashioned punch method. Alright, buddy. And then roll it. Mother Nature's going to do it, right? All heat. Air induction. See, this thing almost has 20 minutes, but I have to do set like that. 5. And then check it at 3, because it's almost always going to be down at 3. Now it's down, you can smell it already. Oh, it's just beginning to see how it's doing. Oh, they're going nice and crispy. Let's go for maybe 1 more minute.